Where did he go? Uy, na naman ko sa sulod nga ni balik man ko dito. Lo, kuyawan ako ay. Nagsunod. Nagsunod. Uy, nagsunod din siyang ati Yayem eh. Nagsunod siya basta kayong baklay. Magkuha. Kuyawan ako uy. Pataka na ha. Knock here. Go. Yummy. And today we are playing Midnight. Midnight Station. Let's go. Let's go. Let's play now. Tara, tara. Let's go. Dito, 3 ay 2 mali. Dito, 3 players. 3, let's go. Sunod na lay. Ay, let's go. Let's go. Dapat manyagit tas. Okay, yeah. Magkantong goal for today's video. Okay. Ano daw ako? Hala, ay, wapagani. Ganita? Basta? Nag-loading. Loading. Dugay pa lagi. Yan na, dugay mo. Ambot nga ng dugay. Why do I always get stuck with the night shifts? Hi, maybe they have something on the radio that will... wala. Turns on radio. Emergency broadcast. Not go out tonight. He has been alerted. There is a serial killer on the loose. Please lock your doors and windows. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to local authorities ASAP. Just my luck. I'm sure it's nothing too serious. Let's go. Pusilon na ka sa sirilay sa pusilon ako. Nadali ta, open. Nakaga. Tell workers to clock out. Okay. Right here, guys. Hello, Uno, who are you? Hey, it's your time to clock out, man. Hey, you're fine. Have you heard the news? I feel bad for you, so I'm sure it will be fine. Just another night shift. Whatever, dude. Please get the social. Also, but you're talking. You're just talking. Ay, ako'y tig-welcome. Welcome to the store. Hey, ako ikaw na mamatay. Charot. Also, just to finish it. I will see you later. Well, maybe if you're still alive. Wow, lain na ni mo eh. Majinx. Go to back and clock in. Here? Here? Saan eh? Clock in. Here. Dali lai. Linya. Hala. Well, I guess I should probably restock the shelves since sunod na! All the food. Sunod na niya kung palain ko. Ate, relay! Tara. Let's go, let's restock all this food, yes. Yeah, Mike. Ay, sorry. Let's go. Stop saying let's go. Ay, ang sali ay. Sali ay ang kwaon. Restock the shelves. The music is so creepy. Yeah. Where can I get some? Restock, where can I? Ako kung magkuha. Amaw na. Mag-English ka niya. Karoon din na ka mag-English. I see. At yung magaling. Wala na. Pati nila. Yun saan nila eh. Doon may kapuan. Ay, dara. Box. Get. Ay, nari box. Kamu may bahala na. Let's go, mana. Let's go, tapos na po siya. Kaya, basta. Look. Kasi na, Yawan ako. Ay, sakyanan naman ni ay. Ay, hala. Wow! Korean siya. Japanese tapi. Hindi na siya mamalit. Okay. Wow! Ay. Stop ready. Finally. Wow, si Karen namin. What's up so long? Why, ikaw pa nagreklamo siya. You haven't even been waiting very long. Whatever. Wow, kani pong naka-green. Me up already. Pagdali, auntie, kaya ako mamaliktad ko. Charas. Hindi mo gawas. May godless pala ka. Agay! Well, I guess it's expected, di ba? Karin, guli ang pangalan. Put money into the cash register. Well, sa malay. Sa problema ni Mulay. Oh, shit. Grab! Saan pa grab? Saan pa grab sa money? Guys, kamo day kuha sa money. Loya, bata. Ano diha sa money? That's because that's my money. Charot. Kasi, yang, ikaw daw. Kuya me! Ano ni bataan ni? Nagkuhan man, nag-parkour. Uy. Pwede ni Chinese garter, ha? At saan ni pa-grab? Kamo day grab daw. Ay, bahala po. Big trip man yung bataan ni, oh. Sige, pag-parkour na lang pa dito. Grab, baka may grab. Ambot. Uy! Down. It's so glad. We finally left. Kanina na kanila ka. Another car. Doon na sa personalan sa ako. Hi, car. Sigawan ako, uy. Mga... kay siyang dimple. Lalom kay siyang dimple. And daw. Napag-hawa ko. Lay, nana, di ba yung mga kuan? Muhang trip. Ako'y magkuan. Ako'y ano. Chinito, lay. Yeah. Hey! Lay, ay. Hi. Hi. Can you like ring me up? I'll sure guess that will be 7.99. Hey, that's the banana mo lang. Wow, here you go. Okay. Tapos na siya, wow. Ano oras kag mo kuyog? Uy, nasiradan siya. Awa ilang ice cream man. Tanawa yung ice cream man. Ew. Charas. Let's go. Wow. Ay! Kaputi. Wait. Who are you? Just a guy in the red shirt around all out there work here? I'm not sure who you're talking about, ma'am. Ay, nagsugod. Am I speaking a different language? The guy in the red shirt that keeps walking around here. Huh? Just forget about it. Don't want you to think too hard. No need to be rude, ma'am. I just know that I'm supposed to be the only one working right now. Okay, I need 20 worth of gas. Here's 25. Keep the change. Looks like you need it more than me. Oi, let's go. Let's go, man. These customers today have been looking. Kabalo mo guys, kaganina. Uy, try na ito mag-make-lay. Kabalo mo kaganina, ana siya nga. Ako ra daw ang nag-work dire, ana ang naghimo na nga. Ako ra daw nagtrabaho dire niya. Ako. Karing make sa Roblox. Adong ni mo tingog sa mga. Nakuyawan na sad ko. Hey you, what are you doing here on a night like this? Wow, ang pogi. I work here, dude. Wow. Well, you know there's a maniac on the loose, right? Hala, kinsa tong maniac kanina? Maniac. Yeah, I heard the news. You've been warned. So, we believe the maniac is targeting gas station employees. You might be next. He's been reported wearing a red t-shirt and being terribly ugly. Call the police if you see wearing a red shirt. Hey, wala man ganay ko'y body, oh. Just my luck. The maniac is apparently targeting gas station employees. Uy, tabang! Kahadlok! Pila ko, ikaw dyan to, Rogelina ba? Ikaw dyan to, nyok. Singit-ngit yun ni Lai, kay kung anong pula yung sinina. Uy, pataka. Pataka na ha. What is this guy? Uy, Lai, unsa man na imong uyab, Lai. Badlangan na. What are you doing? Uy, ayaw, Abril! Your head is so long. You should get going, man. Call police. Ay, wala din. Pusilalay, patya, Lai. Hello! Get a move on, Paul.
upat na lang akong bala. Wala lang, naghahaglagi mo.
I'm going to call the cops then. No need for that. Kuyawan ako atoy. I see you again soon.
Yes, you again.
Very soon. Uy, nga agdulay ka.
Sundan natin siya, Lai. Lai, sundi, Lai. Ay. Bye, Lai.
Bye-bye! The kind of stuff I deal with during the night shift.
Yung raman na ginitan, ano, Lai ka mo?
750
Wala
an
ka mo,
hour
right?
is not worth it. Dealing with creeps like him.
Walay ka mo. Yung ra, walay
Ah! Ulo, kuyawan ako. Later in the night shift. Ulo, kuyawan ako. Uy, aha mo.
Grab a map. O, pagkuha mo map. Kinsay isog, kuha map. Ako isog ko, ako gawas.
Tsara, di ka na naman diri.
Ay.
Map. Map of the Dora of the Explorer. Sa daw.
O, tuluta siya.
Let's
Dugan
go.
mo man.
One left. Ako na sa tanan. Isa lang. Napiyok siya, napiyok.
Asa mo?
Wala ay. Una naman dito ang mock. Ang mock na ano ray. So,
Pula og sakyanan. Pula ko nagsinga. Ay. Ay, Cole, I like your t-shirt. You're so
kuyawan ako ka kanina, uy.
Dili lang
Kalit-kalit
ka, Cole.
naman to
Pero
siya.
i-protect mi ninyo, Cole. Kaya ako kay kaglawas, Cole. Wow, oh, Lai, oh. Maskulin kay Lai.
Wala lang. Karat lag now.
Low quality. Ay,
Karat lag now.
tara, let's go. Napanuhuton ko niya kung trabaho ba.
Talk, let's talk. Hey there. Just this drink, please. Okay. It will be 3.50. Okay, na po nakita kwarta, guys. Wait, tignan natin sa leaderboard. Ay, dili na ako. Wait! Isa to.
Ay, ganun ko din.
Hala si Anki. Wow ka, straight of telo, di dyan mapiko. Eh,
Sabi ka, wala na sila bukog.
eh.
Ay, puro na sila bukog.
Suradan lagi na nato kay
Ang ilahapong bukog street na po. Ito man ako magawas sa kaaw.
talk. Wow, I'm surprised. This place is even open right now. Yes, it's open. Why is that? Why is that? Huh? Why is that? Haven't you heard? There's a murderer around here. He's coming to kill us all. Hadluka di mugnaw ang cool, oy. I think I'll be fine. I know how to defend myself. Good luck with that. Here's your money. I'm out of here. Hi. Ako rin ni tanan kwarta ha.
Si Yamin pa kay. Prepared ka ayo ng bitbit ang butel.
Hoy, kamukuan na ng trash. Oy, bahala mo dira.
Tara, tara.
Lukuron pa lang ka
Tanan,
ato.
kita man tanan.
Hoy, kukuron pa lang ko ato.
Wow.
Hoy, kamu sa gawas. Bahala mo dira.
Tara, ulit yun. Iko ninyo mga ba.
Ale, te, yeme. Yeme.
Take time, matay mo.
Hoy, ako sa tunga. Sa tunga pa. Ah, dagan ako. Bahala mo dira.
Uy, ato pa tag dumpster.
Bahala mo dira. Ang sabi mo. Ah,
Uy, kuya, okay. Tara.
let's go.
Ay, tara, di ang dumpster.
Uy, dagan na dagan. Bahala mo dira. Bahala mo dira.
Sa daw?
Let's go. Hadluka, uy. Nanasisakyanan niya pula.
Manok na pula.
Ay, nay, bayad.
Wow, super handsome. May
Eh, naka-blue si Uncle. Hala, sad lagi ka, Kol. Gibian ka, Kol.
Uy, yung kalat-kalat ubala.
Hala, na-slide ko. Na-slide ko.
Uy, wala tayo bala. Ano pa tayo ni kalas-kalas?
How much will this drink? Let me see.
How much your miss drinks?
6.99, sir. Haha, you're funny. Ha? Seriously, to. How much? I'm serious! Eh?
Wow, ganit siya.
These prices are outrageous.
Mahal dito kaayo.
Here's 4. Take it or leave it. Leave it. Let's go here. Sige man magawas-gawas, oy. Eh. So, guwapa. Let's go.
Pantay lang mong na ko'y robot.
Let's go. Wala na, nasasakyanan. Nasasakyanan, guys.
Nasa sa CR. Hoy, make sure sila tanan ha.
Sirado magig ka maro. Karomensig abre-abre. Ah, ate.
Ambot.
Ah, ate Yeme.
Dahil, nagunta may siya dito food.
Oh my gosh. Ay! Kukuyab lang! I was gonna use your bathroom, but the toilets are disgusting. Wow! Grabe ka ha. Can't the man find a peaceful place to go number 2?
Huh?
Sorry, sir.
Sorry, sir.
I clean it right now. Ay, sheesh! Kamara. Charas.
Tara.
Let's go at the CR, guys.
Hindi man ihadlok.
Let's go, Yeme. Clean man gani. Clean man.
Wow, pag mo detergent mo na.
Ah man. Ah man. Ah magkuha. Ah magkuha. Yawan ako, uy. What are you doing? You almost gave me a heart attack. Eh. Uyawan ako, uy. Ha ha ha. What do you mean? I'm just here to use the bathroom.
Maba?
No. Leave right now or I have you trespass. You're a weirdo. Eh. Where did he go?
Oo, man to siya ba mo teleport para magkalit.
Uy, na naman ko sa sulod nga ni balik man ko dito.
Natalawan mo.
Wala ko yawan ako, oy. Nagsunod. Nagsunod.
Ay, oo eh.
Uy, nagsunod ka siyang ate Yayem eh. Nagsunod siya basta kay Maklay. Wait, aren't you the creep who scared me?
Maganda mo pusin.
No. Basta pa kanto karon. Charas. Yes, you are. Ale. Taas pa kay kagsungang.
So, tara mandada na.
You shouldn't have come to work today. Didn't you hear the news? Hehehe, I make you regret all of this.
Uy, headshot naman ta kang anong buhi pa man ka.
Si Rodi. Ate Yaya na!
Uy, uy, ginani mo na mo ko yung juga ba.
Ay.
Oh, that was so creepy.
So creepy. Layo, sayawan ako, uy. Ah, wala mo dila. Dili man ko investigator. O tara, let's go. Asan? Sabay tang tulo. Wala mo.
Abri lang yung door. Ada mo pusin. Did you trust this?
I told you, I will make you regret showing up to work tonight. Now, you're going to be my next.
You're gonna jump.
That was close. I need to call the police right now. Tago. Sa mukha po daling Robux eh. Use the phone to call 911. Phone rings. Hello? This is the police department. Sabat, please hurry. There is, huh? This creepy guy that chased me inside the gas station. Are you sure that wasn't just a homeless person? He also caused a car crash. He's the serial killer from the news. Okay, we'll dispatch 2 officers to your location. Hiya mo. Hala, nahiga ko! Nahiga ko. Uy, I'm scared. Di na ko magawa. I should hide until police arrive. Dili lang to. I could stay here. Uy, tara, bathroom na ba yun? Bathroom na! Tara! Ato na bathroom! Dapat sano tali ng kulong! Hero ending. Use your weapon to defend yourself against the creep. When the police arrived, they confirmed that he was the person they were searching for. Wow! We survived! Kuyawan ako! Kapilan ako na kuyawan ba? Wala, maura to! That was easy. Easy ra kay siya. Wag ko nahadlok.
Yes.
Easy ra kay siya.
Aman
So, bye guys. Maratok karong adlaw.
So please like and subscribe for more videos and request more games that we can play. Yeah. So